So, welcome to part two of skincare and how we have learned with our experience with it. I'm Shrini.
I'm Shreya, and this is very girly of us.
Yeah.
And we're talking about skincare, like you said. First and most important question I have is, what do you think is your biggest skincare mistake?
My biggest skincare mistake is starting skincare too late. Literally.
Wow.
I am 25 and I'm almost 25 and I started skincare at 24 or 20,
Like seriously, you mean?
maybe, yeah. So I feel I've missed out on so much sunscreen now. Like, what if I am a wrinkled buddhi at the end because I didn't put enough
Yeah, because there's
sunscreen?
a fact that 90% of the sun damage you get is when
Yeah.
you're like a kid, like under 13, 14.
And I remember I was in college, I used to stand in the burning sun with
Yeah,
no care in the world.
me too.
I'm
I didn't wear
just
sunscreen that much.
standing and I'm like, bro, how?
Imagine when you're like kids and playing in the
Yeah.
sun like for 8 hours a day.
And you know the funniest thing, we went on a trip when we were putting sunscreen every day. We were like, wow, we have to
We
put
had it in our mini tiny cute
yeah,
bags, topping up,
everywhere. And somehow it was like rainy, there was not much sun. And the one day it was insanely sunny. We
one day. And
forgot.
we were in the middle of the ocean on an
Ocean.
island and we didn't put it. And we were burnt to a crisp.
We were scared. Oh my
Literally,
god.
my skin in the bag was peeling
It was
off.
peeling. I think that was my first experience with sunburned skin.
It was not sunburn. It was
It
just.
was definitely, but skin was peeling out.
And it was like burning. Like, it was like.
When you're wearing like a shirt, it was rubbing and
I was hurting.
it was
It's paining. It was
hurting.
like pain there.
It's sunburn only, bhai. It was.
Yeah.
I was so like, what the hell? I was like, I have
And
understood
it's
the
so
value
stupid.
of
I don't know
sunscreen.
why. But we
Yeah.
didn't. But yeah, I mean, sunscreen is the most important thing that you
Yeah,
can do.
I
for
think
your-
that is my biggest mistake. Starting it too late.
I think even I
maybe.
started it too late because, like, realistically, I also started at the same time. Like, seriously, like 23, 24 only.
You're
That's fine.
23, fine. Right.
So it's fine. Better late than never. But you know, nowadays there's this like rise of like Sephora kids and like people are starting skincare when they're like not even born properly.
But there's a
Can't even
lot of
speak.
like debate about it.
Exactly, it's not a good thing. Like this, good to know. Like sunscreen and moisturizer are fine. People are like doing brand collabs and putting serum and whatnot. Anti-aging. I've seen like teenagers doing anti-aging. That is traumatizing.
Social media, bro. Even like 20-year-old influencers are like, I got my Botox done. Like, bro, you're 20. Why do you need Botox or whatever? So it's just this unsaid pressure, I think. Not even unsaid, it's just said.
It's said very well, and that's the problem. It's said too much.
Yeah.
And I think that's horrible. I think these
Mm.
social media trends are like really ruining. I mean, first of all, the influencer face, if
Yeah.
you've heard. And I think India made still a lot better, but I think it's gonna come to India.
Yeah.
With like Ozempic and Monjaro already
Could
coming,
be.
and like plastic surgery becoming, as common as it possibly. I think in India, 15, 20 years, people are just gonna be doing a lot of these things.
Could be very well,
Yeah.
not true.
But I mean, yeah, that's true.
So wait, what was your biggest mistake?
What was my biggest mistake? I'm thinking.
She has gotten everything perfect.
No, I don't
Yeah,
mean
I'm
it like
sure.
that.
Oh my god, is your skincare routine that you drink a lot of water?
No, I think water is something you need to just stay alive. My biggest skincare mistake.
Wow, I can't believe you don't have one.
I think mine would also be the same then. Like starting too late. And
Oh,
also sometimes I
Copycat.
do get very lazy with sunscreen.
Yeah.
I do. It's just like even on like a daily basis, sometimes I'm just like, yeah, but that is how it adds up.
Yeah, I'm
I
sure.
do get lazy with sunscreen, and that is
True.
like a recurring thing. So I think yeah, that's my mistake.
But now you are saying that this, we have talking about social media and trends. And what are your thoughts on all these trends like glass skin or something?
I mean, you can also do like a glass skin facial on Urban Company. I was trying to look like for skincare solutions, and I'm like glass skin.
Really?
Why?
I don't know. It's just that now even the texture, like people are like, skin is supposed to have texture, but people are just erasing all the texture it has.
And all like have you seen that movie debate? The actors don't have expression anymore because of
Yeah. And apparently I've seen a few actors, I don't know few, but maybe this one actress, she apparently stops Botox when she's about to do a role. I don't know which actress it was, I'll have to look it up. Like she stops taking or doing those Botox thing so that she has expression when she is crying in a movie or whatever. I think Anna Hathaway is the one who has no expression, right?
I think you're talking about Amanda Seyfried, the Mamma Mia girl.
I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah, but something with an A or a E, I think. But so generic. Yeah.
But I mean, yeah, I think trends are too much.
Yeah.
There's a new, first of all, new skin trend
Every other day by
week,
every brand, and they get all the influencers.
strawberry matcha, this and
Yeah.
that, mango, coffee.
Yeah.
Every food item has been turned into a trend.
True. And then they get all influencers in such bulk that you are convinced that you need it. Matlab.
Yeah.
This is just
So many like micro trends, macro trends, brand level trends like
Yeah.
Rode, Rare Beauty, and so many like must have products. And I mean, so much
it
is going
definitely
on.
has ruined skincare a bit. But
Yeah.
I have to say, I would get influenced at times.
I
Kabhi
would also
kabhi
get
ki,
influenced.
haan.
I think
What if
I
I
would
try
easily
it?
get more influenced with makeup stuff, like a nice
True.
lip gloss or like a nice lipstick or like an.
Yeah.
I think skincare, man, I'm still a bit more. I'm just like I just don't want to experiment with skincare unless.
Because of set.
Yeah, and also I just don't want to experiment with brands. I don't, for example, if my favorite brands like Ordinary, so Simple came up with like a new moisturizer and all, I was happy to try it out.
Yeah.
I would still buy it occasionally if I just need like an extra product. I'm happy to. I don't mind experimenting from trusted brands,
Mhm.
but I just want to try like some random pink packaged brand, pastel color unicorn
Yeah,
brand
yeah,
of some celebrity and just buy their skincare. That is just something I'm not doing. So
Bro,
I'm
even
very.
celebrities are doing so much
Every
skincare.
celebrity has a skincare brand now.
Yeah.
Just I don't like all these are mass manufactured,
Yeah.
made in China products. I just don't
Kriti
trust them.
Sanon has a brand.
That's
Hyphen.
hyphen. Okay.
It's apparently doing well.
Is
People,
it? I have no
yeah,
idea.
actually, people like consider it equivalent to like
Isn't it?
Dot-In.
It's like Rode ka copy. Rode ka pastel colorful copy. I feel.
Technically, every product can be then, though,
The only brand that I actually like not in India, it's
Design wise?
no, like
Oh.
product wise is
Oh.
Indie Wild.
Okay.
I've used a lot of
The
their stuff.
Chumpy hair
Yeah.
oil people.
So,
I've only used the hair oil.
No, I've used their serums. They are nice. I've also used the lip balm. It's nice. I think they are nice. I think you
Chai
can see the
latte or
quality of
something.
the product and of their products.
Yeah.
Quality is good, and I think
I
that
think
is
she's
one
also a
brand.
very trusted influencer for some reason.
Yeah, she's
right?
nice. She's nice.
Yeah.
But like even as an influencer brand, the products are.
She actually put her heart and soul into it, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, I guess. But I'm
guess.
just all I'm saying is the product is good.
Yeah. But I think Indie while I was just about to talk about packaging, how packaging also plays an important part. And
Yeah.
Indie While has such strong branding, I think.
Yeah, they have very minimal packaging. I would say.
Minimal,
I don't
but
think they are
strong
like.
branding in terms of how they're bringing, chumpy hair oil.
Yeah, they have good branding, but they
Yeah.
don't have like cringe influencer
And
packaging,
I
and I
think
hate
every
that.
other brand nowadays is like this chatak red, pink, yellow color with white text.
Pastel.
Yeah, and Dot-In Key, I have to say that products might be good and all.
Not good.
No comment.
No, I'm commenting it's shit.
But they have a lot of these products where
You
they
can't
have
even read the label.
literally they have some yellow packaging and they've written it white. I can't read what
I
the
think maybe that's
product is.
intentionally, na. They know their products are shit. They don't want to educate the user. They're an aesthetic brand,
At least I should be able to tell that this is
And
a
first of
sunscreen
all,
and
Dot
this
and
is a
Key, I don't get the
serum.
hype. It's plastic cup bottle. It's not even like they have some good quality packaging. Like random brands have much better packaging.
Yeah,
I feel.
true,
I don't know
true.
why they are so viral. I think it's just marketing.
They're there,
and
but
they
it's
just-
then they might be okay color palette wise, but they can't read shit on it
Yeah,
by
it's
bad
bad.
in terms of
What else?
that.
The evil Satan of Indian beauty skincare.
Himalaya.
Mama.
Mama
Himalaya is
Earth.
better than Mama Earth, I would say. Mama Earth is.
I have seen so many reels, people shitting on Mama Earth, and I am just worried ki who's buying
Sorry.
it then.
A lot of people are buying it, yeah. It's just cheap and accessible, and it's a massy brand.
And
right?
I was so apparently both of them came on Shark Tank also, and her story is apparently that she was looking for a kids brand, and she made
I mean,
it
I'm
for-
sure it's true and all, and
But
like,
now
they have
they're
made like a successful business out of it.
But now they've
Congratulations,
also
but
done like
horrible product.
they've also acquired so many brands, like the Honasa thing.
Yeah, and after I found out that Dr. Straits is acquired by
Even Derma Co.
Yeah, I
And-
just gave up on that brand. Now I
Yeah.
cannot use a doctor.
But
I genuinely loved their sunscreen, but now I just don't have that trust. Even though it might be the same sunscreen or whatever.
No, it's not. People are commenting that the quality has changed for Derma Co. and
Straits sunscreen is actually good, but now I don't have that trust. I will not use it. I just cannot. And Derma Co also, they were good. I've used some of Derma.
Yeah.
Sunscreen I do experiment. So sunscreen I have used Derma Co. And it's good. The texture is amazing of Derma Co sunscreen. It just melts into your skin.
Yeah, I like
think what
Derma
else
Co
have I used?
actually.
I think that's
use
it. That's it.
I've
But
used
I still
Dermaco and
don't
Chefs and I
trust it.
switched between them, but then I found out that they also don't do clinical trials, so that was like a red flag. to
Yeah,
me
yeah.
ki, how do
I mean, if
find a
Mama Earth is
sunscreen?
involved, I'm not using that brand. I will just finish off the existing products, I
True.
guess.
Uh,
Simple also has sunscreen, by the way.
I think I've used the gel one,
But
but
gel one is not
gel
nice.
I don't
Gel is
like.
too like heavy, I feel.
It just it
For
feels like
sunscreen is one of the
volumey,
best
you know.
brands. Face Guard, La Shield,
Are these like medicated?
Sunbless, best sunscreens you'll ever use.
I
Melts
think
into Face Guard is the greatest
maybe you
sunscreen.
can just ask your dermat for the good
Yeah,
sunscreen, maybe
Face
because
Guard and
sunscreens
Sunbless
are
both are amazing.
yeah.
La Shield is a bit tricky. It's leaves a cast of,
Yeah. I've tried that
but
one.
Face Guard is it's so good.
I actually don't know which one
Oh my
that
god,
is,
it's
but
amazing. I think I think right now I have a lot of medicated sunscreens, but it's fun to try
she has
branded
so many
sunscreens.
sunscreens. I remember, and all
Yeah.
of them are like 1/4 left, 1/3 left.
Yeah,
She
but I
has
try
so
a lot.
many.
In the end, I just trust the medicated ones only. I feel.
Yeah. True.
Yeah.
Do you also use sunscreen for your hands and legs and everything?
Yeah, but like the cheaper ones, not the fancy ones. Because
Of course.
yeah. But I think I do it
Insanely
only when I'm like
expensive.
when I know my body is gonna be exposed or I'm traveling. Daily, I don't.
You know,
That's like too.
it was so surprising. I went out recently and I wore a jacket because I was like, what if I get tan?
Yeah.
Bro,
No,
that's not me.
that's me all the time.
No,
I
I know look, it's just me that I'm evolving with
not
that.
it's not it was not you, but now you've grown up.
Now I've grown
But
up.
have you seen like all these East Asian Koreans? They are like covered. In Thailand, people will just be covered. Like
They have a full thing going on.
and that's
Bilkul.
amazing. Like people, if you go to anywhere in Southeast Asia, they are so sun protected.
Yeah.
The sun is also a bit harsher, I think, there. But they are so deeply protected. It's amazing. Like we need notes, and especially people who live in like such sunny areas in
Oh my
India,
god, I'm
which
just
is like a lot.
wondering if you ever wear a mask and then you go out in the sun,
Mhm.
will you get like half tan?
No, so that is why now they don't just wear they have like a Vietnamese people have those hats. They have
Okay.
like those sheer things.
Huh.
They have like full body
Acha,
protectors.
fine,
It's amazing
fine.
the dedication that these people Asians have.
Yeah.
East Asians
I think the
have to
skin is
sun
also a
protection.
bit more sensitive.
I actually don't know if they're
Maybe.
sensitive or not.
Okay.
But I think they're just very skincare forward people. Like they are
Mm-hmm.
so in they even their skincare tech, their products are just beautiful.
Yeah.
Like you can buy a product from any East Asian country and it's amazing quality and you can just buy it like from any 7-Eleven or drugstore. But in India, you have to go to the fanciest Sephora and buy some decent skin.
Yeah.
You can't trust. So I
And
think there's a
people at
difference.
these stores are so annoying.
Yeah.
They're like,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
I hate it.
Yeah, true.
I can't. I'm not a interaction. I don't want. And this brings me to my offline online thing.
Huh?
I shop for skincare online. I
I
can't
think
shop for
same.
offline.
Yeah. The only thing I do
there.
makeup
Which I know is
offline
a job.
sometimes. I do make because
I have tried that. It's just so annoying. And the one time I went to try that lipstick, and I got peer pressured into buying that Charizard lipstick.
Yeah.
Because it just happens in the moment, and then you're at the store,
I also
This
remember.
reminds me of that story.
I
Oh
was
my
literally about
God.
to
It's
say
so
that.
embarrassing. I should even tell it.
So this new product, Milk Beauty, I think,
It's a very
makeup.
famous brand, and I love that. I wanted to try that brand.
They came in India recently, and we were just browsing, and we were like in Sephora, and like, my God, look. We looked into 500. We were like, I thought she was so shook because it's expensive, okay? I was like, 500, acha, theek hai. I don't know if you need 500 ka blush. She's like, it's very cheap. I was like,
Yeah, because it was like a 10 ml brush.
Yeah.
And it was 500. So I was like, I'm buying.
yeah, I was also like, theek hai,
And then there was
chalo.
a highlighter also. So same like
Yeah.
highlighter. So I thought I'll buy one highlighter and one blush. 1,000 rupees so I can spend, right?
Yeah.
Something I really wanted to try. I love that brand. I've heard so many nice things about that brand. It was new in India. There's so many reasons. We went to the counter. We were like, हाँ भैया एक blush और एक highlighter. So turns out, like I said, there were 10 ml bottles. It was 1 ml ka 500. So it was 5,000 each.
They had written 500 per unit
So they
or
wrote,
per
yeah,
ml.
and it was such misleading. So I just saw, and why would you write per ml price? Like, मैं क्या करूँ उसका?
Yeah, exactly.
And that was the most prominent thing. And then it took me like forever to find that was actually 5K.
I was so
And I wanted
embarrassed.
to die in embarrassment because I was like ready to pay 1K.
Yeah.
Even if it was 2K, I would have convinced myself on the spot. But 10,000 ka, I was
Bro
like,
was like, कि मैम आपका इतना हुआ है. She's like, So
I had my card out. I was like ready to pay. I'm just like, I put my card in. And we're pretending to have some serious conversation.
bro, do we really need it? I don't think
and
that
I was
itna bhi
almost
pasand
like, and I was like, भाई इतनी शर्म आ रही है कि मैं नहीं लेती हूँ. And she was like, Mom, are you mad?
Yeah, why would you buy a 5,000 ka aise
And
randomly one
I'm just
blush?
like, and we're like, here, Duma, we just like, literally ran away from that
I'm sure
Sephora.
he understood. Maybe it's not the
But
first
he didn't
time.
understand. He would not have figured कि we are so stupid.
I think maybe it would have happened more, but it was very obviously written 500.
Yeah, it was 500. He just, I don't know what he would have thought.
This is insane.
If he probably should have just made up some issue कि cash निकाल के लाते हैं. कुछ भी बोल देते.
हम भाग
Literally
गए.
ran away.
Yeah.
He ran away. How is that meme? Run away. We did that. We just like ran away from that
Yeah.
Sephora. That
That
mall has seen the worst of us.
Yeah, it's
That-
literally.
It has.
You know how like when you go to that one shop near your house and you're dressed in the ugliest outfit, that's the mall for us.
Yeah,
Mall
and
has
not,
seen
and
the
I don't
worst.
mean in terms of ugly
Outfits, but
outfits, just ugliness of ourselves,
Yeah.
our personality.
Got it.
Mall has seen that.
Yeah.
But I mean, yeah, I think
One like
Okay.
what's whenever you ask an actress what's your skincare routine, they always say so. So what do you think? Have you ever seen that effect on you? Like have you
I've
seen
always
that
been like a
impact?
water drinker. I drink like good amount of water daily, so I've never noticed myself without water, so I can't comment. But यार पानी तो पीना ही है.
Yeah, I know,
I
but it
mean-
can't be the root cause of your beauty.
Yeah, it's
Right?
gatekeeping. I feel.
Yeah.
It's
And you know,
just-
when I was researching for this topic,
or you
I
know something like it's मेरे घर के दादी के recipes नुस्खा
Yeah.
my mom's Ayurvedic
DIY or
DIY.
something.
Girl, Botox करवा के you can't pull out these drama
Yeah.
excuses. It's
Yeah.
just so stupid. But I think
I was just thinking how this generation is will be more open about let's say acne patches, for example. They are like, ha, theek hai, acne, we have a pimple, so what? We'll just embrace it. And I think this generation is different in that way. I'm talking about myself.
I mean I don't know. I mean I know acne patches are cute, but I think it's more of a trendy thing.
Is it?
I don't know. I mean I like the idea of acne patches.
Yeah, I think it's a very
but
cute idea.
it's a cute idea, but acne patches most of the time are so ugly. Remember your pink acne?
Oh, but I have another
Yeah,
story.
this mass-
So one day I went to office and I put an acne patch here.
No, it's not a normal acne patch.
It's a heart-shaped acne.
It's a heart-shaped acne
Pink.
patch,
It's
and it's
probably like-
massive.
It's probably
It
like
is
this dark
massive.
pink.
It's the size of her eyeball. It's
So I
massive.
put it here, okay? Now listen, okay? So I walk from my house to the metro and then I go in the metro and then I walk from metro to my office. On my way to the metro, 3 people have stopped me. Ma'am, आपके यहाँ कुछ लगा है. In the metro, 2 men have like, आपके यहाँ कुछ लगा है. ठीक है? मेट्रो में काउंटर, मैम आपके यहाँ कुछ लगा है. मैं ऑफिस गई, my manager, ये क्या लगा के आई हो? कुछ लगा है. मैं पानी भर रही हूँ ऑफिस में. That office boy,
I would have taken it out after the first time someone points. She is wearing it with so much confidence.
office
Yes.
boy is like, मैम आपको कुछ लगा? I'm like, हाँ पता है कुछ लगा है यार. It was like, क्या करूँ? Because I really
Like a pimple would have been less shameful than this.
I was like a hair pimple and I had to explain to. Okay, I didn't explain to everyone on the way, but in the office I had to be like, it's a pimple patch. It does this, and this is the cute Gen Z thing which people are doing.
You can just wear a clear pimple. I
Yeah,
want
but
like clear
why?
pimple
Why
patch.
Why would I wear a
No,
clear
I can
pimple
also
patch?
get the logic like those cute star shaped ones, but the pimple patch, he wore the size of a house. Like a man. People are telling out of concern. They're like, "Beta, ये मुंह पे कुछ लगा." He doesn't know about it.
And the thing is, it's like a pink. It's like a magenta.
It's like a jhatak pink.
So maybe it looks like a chot or something, like a
It doesn't look like a chore. It just looks like something is stuck on your face. You don't know about it. People are trying to because it doesn't look like if it's like a star shape something, something like first of all it doesn't even stick properly.
The thing is, the heart shape is not like this. It's like an ugly heart. It's almost like a circle. It's not this, like a proper heart.
Name
It's
the
like
brand.
this.
What brand?
Yeah.
Gush do better.
They have
Make
cute,
smaller pimple patches.
smaller. We can make it a good, pretty heart.
And maybe
I
it
think.
should be like I have seen like Gush has those heart shape only, na? For the
Stars,
star
stars.
shape. Like
Yeah.
some brands have like really cute ones, which
Yeah.
looks nice. Even if something on your face, people will figure out कि ये कुछ लगाया है. But hers is like fucking falling out
See,
of her
and if it's on the
face.
cheek and all, I understand people would not. But it was here. I think the location also mattered. They were like, "अरे मुंह के पास है, शायद कुछ खाना लगाओ,
Get a
maybe
pimple.
टमाटर लगा है."
Tomato.
I don't know. Maybe some food item they
Oh
related.
my god.
So it's tough being Gen Z. I can't help it. Sorry.
Yeah, this is
It's-
the problem
it's-
Gen Z
yeah.
has, getting stopped in the street.
But
because
you
of-
know, this actually made me, when I was in office and a lot of people were like, pimple patch. Two men showed up in office and they're like, look, we also have a pimple patch, and they were wearing a clear pimple patch. And I'm like, men also do this?
That's nice.
I was like pleasantly surprised that I didn't know that men.
But you know, I've noticed one thing I want to say about pimple patches. I've used pimple patches before, and I use them like when like I see the pimple happening. Pimple patches might be a good hack to hide it, but I feel using a pimple patch leaves a mark. Like it has happened to me multiple times. I used a pimple patch.
I think it happens if you use it for a very long time.
No, because it just dries out and what? Just say, agar if you don't use a pimple patch, you'll just go through a natural cycle.
I think
pimple
that
patch
happens.
disrupts it.
I think it happens when you put it on for too long.
I
I
never
think
put it on.
4-5 घंटे is ideal.
But I've been left with like 2-3 big marks and I just stopped using it. I don't mind if a pimple is visible, it's fine.
Yeah.
But I can't risk like a mark that'll take fucking 3-4 months to go. Which is even worse, and why should I? Doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
But
So yeah, I think that was a lot of skincare talk.
Yeah.
I think even I didn't know my thoughts about skincare. I had so many thoughts.
yeah,
But yeah.
I think that's
So,
about
yeah.
it, right? So
Let
let
us know
what you think.
what your favorite product or something is. You know what?
I love how she doesn't even have a question. Like whatever you want to say.
No, some
something.
nice recommendation would be good, you know. ऐसे मैं try करूँगी जब salary आएगी तो I'll try, okay?
Yeah, I won't.
Yeah.
But
I
I
will
would
try.
love to read it.
Yeah. Okay, bye. Please
Bye.
share, like, share, subscribe.